Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Cancer, water sign. This is March mid-month reading and this is general. May or may not resonate everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Cancer, water sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? What's going on, Cancer? Eight of Cups, Four of Swords, Three of Swords. What's going on? Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles, Six of Cups. Interesting. Very, very interesting. Your reading. Things are turning out into your favor. Yeah, maybe you're not seeing, but things are moving in your favor. And the Chariot, there is some positive shift is coming. Maybe it is very slow right now, but it is coming. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Eight of Cups, Four of Swords and Three of Swords. You are separated with your person. You walked away from your connection, and it could be there is no equal give and take. Maybe your person is non-committal in and out of your life. They hurt you very badly because Three of Swords energy, you are heartbroken, Cancer. That's why you decided to walk away from this connection, and now you started healing yourself. Four of Swords energy, you are doing meditation and healing yourself. You want to heal your past hurts. That's why you are doing meditation, and you are in no contact situation with your person. You are not talking to your person, but you are undergoing spiritual awakening, especially meditation, healing yourself. You are healing yourself. Then present, Knight of Pentacles, Page of Pentacles and Six of Cups. Reconciliation. Past person is coming back for reconciliation. Now they realize your worth. Yeah. So once you gone, they started realizing your worth, your love towards them. So they started feeling your love, maybe. They started realizing your worth. So Knight of Pentacles, they decided to come back. Again, it is slow moving energy, but they're coming. This time your person is very serious about you and they want to send some apology message, communication. Six of Cups, they want reconciliation with you. You both have strong soulmate and past life connection with each other, and they're thinking about you a lot. Once you gone, they started missing you. Then future, Queen of Cups, the Hierophant and Two of Pentacles. Yeah, you are very emotional person. You are very giving and caring person, Cancer. And they're ready to offer commitment, but you are juggling. I think you have some trust issues. You don't know which decision you have to make. You are very indecisive about to make decision in near future. Because they're coming back to offer their love, maybe to offer marriage. They want reconciliation, but you are juggling. You don't know which decision you have to make, especially regarding this relationship. Because in past they hurt you, now they're coming back to offer their love, whatever. The person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, air sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, water sign, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, earth sign. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you, then we will get more clarity. So your person feelings towards you, Cancer. Page of Pentacles, apology, communication is coming. The Devil, Hangman and Queen of Cups, they're obsessed with you. They're stuck on you. Yeah, they started realizing your love towards them. Queen of Cups, they have strong emotions for you. For some, this person is toxic for you. That's why you are juggling. You are not making any decision regarding this person. because in past they hurt you. Now they're coming back, but you are not trusting them due to past hurts. So let's see their actions towards you. For some, this person is toxic for you, guys. You both are in no contact situation right now. Yeah, they're still having hopes on this connection and they still want rebirth in this connection. 9 of Wands, they're thinking about you a lot. Right now, your person is also guarded up right now because they are also undergoing some healing process. 4 of Swords energy. But they have high hopes on this connection. They want rebirth in this connection because the Star is here and 10 of Swords. It is very painful for them without you. That's why they want rebirth in this connection. They're stuck on you. They're obsessed with you. And I am not seeing any proper action towards you, to be frank. Yeah, they're coming back. It is very slow moving energy. But the intention cards, 4 of Swords, the Star and 10 of Swords. Yeah, they're hoping. But with Knight of Pentacles energy, even though they decided to come back, it will take so much time. Right now, your person is also under in no contact situation, doing meditation or healing. But they have high hopes on this connection and they want reconciliation. I think they're obsessed with you, highly obsessed with you. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, you are not trusting them easily this time. Yeah. See the Lovers, Knight of Wands. They are very attracted to you. There is a lot of passion involved in this connection. They're coming back with an apology. And the Lovers. Yeah, there is love. I think there is physical attraction more in this connection than emotional. That's why maybe you are holding back. Yeah, you decided to end things with this person. For some, you decided to move on because the Death card is here. But they're coming back. It will take some time. Cancer. But you decided to move on from this person. Yeah, because it's causing a lot of anxiety, depression, especially both of you, especially you, Cancer. Again, the Devil. This person is toxic for you guys. For some, there is a lot of obsession involved in this connection. They're heavily obsessed with you. And the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, especially Scorpio or Aquarius or Gemini. So let's see your overall energy. Cancer. There is no partnership, but they're coming back to work on this relationship. Things are turning out into your favor. And 7 of Wands with King of Cups. Neither they are coming back with offer and they won't give up on you easily. Let's see your person overall energy. Yeah, there are a lot of things between both of you. Maybe disturbances, misunderstandings. Now they really want to work on this relationship. They're heartbroken without you. Maybe in past they're holding back. They're not expressing their true feelings, but they're heartbroken without you. That's why they're undergoing healing. 4 of Swords energy. Now they realize their mistake. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel. Healing, yeah. Third party involved. Holding back. You are holding back. Text is coming. Age difference. I always thinking about you. So healing, text is coming, third party involved, age differences and holding back. These are the messages from your person. And yeah, they are undergoing some healing process. You also. And age difference for some. For some you are holding back. For some third party situation is involved. But text is coming. They want to send apology message. I already told you. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Have faith in your dreams. So if you are consistently working hard toward your dreams and goals, so you have to keep faith in your dreams. This is the message. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Bye.